Voters use caution on area lakes today. Mostly sunny in the morning, then becoming partly cloudy.
Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. Got another radio here from Jeff. This is the Kaito Voyager model KA-500. Now, I did a review of the 600, and I think they have a 700, maybe a 900. This one has an analog dial. The 600, which I have, has a digital dial, digital tuning. Otherwise, they're pretty much the same. This one has 6 ways to power it. And it comes in multiple colors. This is the green, of course. You can power it using the crank right here. You can use solar on the back here. Solar panel. Pretty good size solar panel. Pops up. You can use 3 AA batteries. It also has a built-in battery that's rechargeable. You can recharge it using the external connector I'll show you in a few minutes. And then you can use a 5-volt USB cable to power it. And finally, it doesn't come with it, but you can get a 5-volt AC to DC adapter. So all those ways to power it. This is obviously an emergency radio. Light you're seeing right there tells you you're on battery. This one here tells you that the battery is low. This one is the tuning button or LED to tune in a signal properly. It's also an indication that the internal battery is charging. Okay, telescopic antenna. It's about 14 inches long. It does not swivel. It just goes straight up. Does not. Let me make sure. Yep, does not swivel. Nice carrying handle. Here's the switch for the light, or lights. We've got a regular light, a reading light. It's also a dial light. And the SOS flashing light. Down here we have the weather band, the 7 stations, 7 frequency for the weather band. We have the band selection. See if I can get a little closer. Get it. There's weather, FM, AM, shortwave 1, shortwave 2. Shortwave 1 is 3.8 megahertz to 8 megahertz. Shortwave 2 is 8 megahertz to 22 megahertz. And then here's the power selection knob. I'm on battery right now. You can go over to solar, crank, or DC. And then the final position is for turning on the NOAA weather alert. It will give you an alert if NOAA sends out a signal indicating there's bad weather. Tuning knob here, volume here, nothing on the bottom. Over here is the crank to either power or charge the internal battery. There's the solar panel, raise it up, and then underneath this is the other lamp. Let me turn it on now. Now that I got it open, there it is, very bright. 5 LEDs. Put that down. Battery compartment is right here. See if I can get it open. There we go. Come on. So there's the rechargeable battery. And then here's the place for the AA batteries. Here is the ports Let me get the camera. So the round one there is for an AC to DC adapter. It does not come with it. The big one is a big USB for using the battery as a source for like charging your cell phone. And then the little one here is a micro USB for charging that internal battery. And then in this one here, I believe is the earbud. Yeah, it's not marked. I think that's for the earphones. Okay, that's it. Yeah, I think that's about it. Okay, let's turn it back on. Turn the volume back up. We had it on the weather.
And inland waters a moderate shock.
Extend. Now that's with the antenna down.
20 knots.
Let's extend
And
it.
inland waters a moderate shock.
And
Your coastal waters
typically I can get
for the
2
HB.
channels on the weather
Area for the following
in my area,
locations.
sometimes 3.
Coastal waters
So we got 1,
to Tarpon Springs
that's
at 20
7.
nautical miles.
6, 5.
East winds 15
Up.
to 20 knots, increasing to around 20
Channel
knots
4.
in the afternoon.
Okay, so we got 2. Good and clear. Okay, let's go to, that was on weather. Let's go to FM. And let's tune. Kind of in the middle of the band here. Let's go to one end.
Okay.
Oop, turn the volume down.
New Zion. Okay, New
Boy, coming in strong. So there, we've got a strong signal. So the red light comes on here indicating that you've got it locked in, or the radio has it locked in.
Because these players are going, you know,
Good
why
sound.
am I killing myself here?
Biggest size
We're going to
speaker.
make the playoffs. I'm still going to get paid.
Oh yeah,
Properties next.
good
Everybody's messages,
reception.
and I'm cannot be sustainable.
It's locking right on. Boy, it locks right in.
Kind of northeast of Jacksonville.
Put pressure on Israel to look for a way to end.
Now, I believe one of these lamp positions does give you a dial light. There we go. There's a dial light. It's just at the top on this corner, but it's still good for the whole band.
Tax dollars.
So we got plenty on FM. Let's go to AM. Okay, whoop, come on, camera. I wanted to show us switch position. There we go. Going to AM. And we'll tune back down the band. Come on. Here we go. Getting interference. Naturally in my office.
We win our division. Maybe it doesn't matter if we have home field advantage. But I think all of these sports real
I could pick up plenty of stations. And of course, AM or medium wave is directional.
tell me you recognize tab?
No, I don't recognize that.
Did you shovel his head off?
Yeah. How big was it? It's about 5 feet. Then you have to remove the head. Would you bury the head or something? Right.
Reverend Franklin Grant.
No United Nations resolutions, no recurring I saw some of the pictures, man.
Yeah.
It's coming up.
No problem. Picking up lots of stations.
New condominium where
Okay, we'll take care of it.
I'm gonna
Okay, the only thing we have left is 2 shortwave bands, which it's 9 o'clock in the morning, probably won't hear anything. Maybe a local station. So let's try shortwave 1. Got the antenna up. Of course, we're picking up noise from my office. Doesn't seem to mute while tuning. Maybe it does. Get this back in the frame. Yeah, I didn't expect to find anything. Just a bad time of the day. Plus, shortwave conditions are poor. Thought I might get something around 6 megahertz. No. I got some earlier in the morning, but nothing now. Really no need to try. Well, I'll try it. Shortwave band 2. Let's try 10 megahertz. No, and the antenna is very short. It's only 14 inches. So that's that. This one you can get on Amazon. It's $49.95. The one I have, which is the 600 digital tuner, is $79.99. And it also has memory banks, so you can store frequencies in memory and in recall. It also has, the 600 has long wave. This does not have long wave. And it has the RDS function. So it's got several additional functions, but it is $30 more. That's about it. Thanks, Jeff, again for loaning me his radios. He bought this brand new, or the gentleman he bought it from said it was basically unused, and it looks it. That's it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.